Hi guys, this is Keshav Malpani and welcome back to yet another session of 12 minutes to CLAT. Today I'm going to discuss 5 most prevalent questions that a lot of CLAT aspirants keep asking, definitely to me, and I'm sure to a lot of other aspirants and to other mentors as well, as to how should they go about the preparation. And these are 5 questions that I've made a list of that are most frequently asked to me as well. Now before starting with this session, there is one golden rule that I would like to tell you guys with respect to your CLAT preparation. Okay, so if there is any question in your mind which says whether you should study a particular thing or not, for example, say आपको लगता है कि ये वाला portion पढ़ना चाहिए या नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए, ideally study it, because see, CLAT is an unpredictable paper. Despite telling you as to what is going to be 5 sections, you don't know what can come in the paper. Okay, we have seen in the last 2 years कि जो particular pattern set हुआ था उससे थोड़े differing questions थे, right? For example, legal reasoning में there is a video on the consortium website which says that you will not be asked questions based on your legal knowledge, whereas questions have been asked in past under the new pattern itself based on your own legal knowledge as well, right? So we cannot stick to what the consortium is exactly prescribing. और ये तो माना ही जाता है ना कि एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ना इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, कम पढ़ना इज द प्रॉब्लम. सो अगर कभी भी दिमाग में ये चीज आती है कि ये चीज पढ़नी चाहिए या नहीं पढ़नी चाहिए, जस्ट रीड इट. ठीक है, जस्ट प्ले सेफ and read it if you want to do really well in CLAT and you want to be preserved for, I would say, any kind of surprises that the CLAT keeps coming every year. ठीक है, 2020-21 में it came with different surprises. 22-23 और आगे के जो years होंगे, they are not going to be different. Okay, so we will have to be ready for any kind of surprises that the CLAT has to offer to us. Now moving on to the first question. A lot of people ask me that how many mocks should they do and how to analyze those mocks, and should they analyze those mocks ideally. See, I think I've discussed this a lot of time that it's not just about solving those 150 questions accurately or correctly. It's about solving those 150 questions in 120 minutes. And that takes a lot of, I would say, our energy, whereas we have to increase our speed, we have to keep reading the newspapers and so on. And that becomes quite important, right? So when you do the mock tests give you a very good practice of how are you going to write the final exam. So there is no limit on the number of mock tests you can do, but when you start your preparation initially, okay, ideally you can do 1 mock test every week, but in the last 4 to 5 months, I would say, if you are preparing properly for it, do 2 mock tests every week, because that will give you a very good practice. And a lot of people also have this doubt कि अभी तो हमारा कोर्स ही कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, सो हम मॉक टेस्ट कैसे करें. Now this brings me to my second question as to what is the syllabus for CLAT. There is no set syllabus for CLAT, and that is, I would say, kind of a consortium's thing that is given to us. अगर आप उनका वेबसाइट जाकर देखोगे ना, please check their website. They have given you certain topics, I would say certain hints as to what kind of questions can be given, but they themselves do not stick to their pattern. And that is why CLAT is considered one of the most uncertain exams in this country. But even if it's uncertain, there is a set way to go about it. And there is no syllabus at all. Okay? So current affairs तुमको पता ही नहीं है क्या होता है, right? Everything and anything under the sun or under the sky is a current affair. Right? So इसीलिए बहुत important है कि छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को भी आपको properly note down करना है, and that will make a lot of difference. See, अब syllabus की तरह नहीं भागना. We are no more school students. Like even if we are school students, यहाँ पर आप एक national level exam की तैयारी कर रहे हो, तो इसमें ऐसा नहीं हो पाएगा कि आपको कोई एक बुक दे दी जाएगी या फिर कोई आपने एक पर्टिकुलर सोर्स से देख लिया तो वहीं से क्वेश्चन आ जाएंगे. दिस इज नॉट योर 11th और 12th बोर्ड एग्जाम, है ना. दिस इज अ नेशनल लेवल एग्जाम विच विल नीड अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ माइंडसेट ऑल टुगेदर. नाउ अ थर्ड क्वेश्चन दैट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आस्क, और आई थिंक इसका जवाब मैंने कई बार दे दिया है, कि शुड वी रीड न्यूज़पेपर्स. गाइस, माय आंसर इज अ बिग यस, एंड आई वुड एलैबोरेट इट बाय सेइंग, फर्स्टली न्यूज़पेपर से क्या होता है, जब हम क्लैट का इतना बड़ा फुल्ली इंग्लिश लोडेड पेपर करने वाले हैं, न्यूज़पेपर गिव अस दैट रीडिंग हैबिट ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. We are very comfortable with reading when we are reading newspapers for quite some time. Reading does not remain a problem. Reading speed also does not remain a problem. Second very important thing, particularly in sections like legal reasoning, logical reasoning, in fact in English, is how to interpret the difficult English words or difficult English sentences that are written. When you read the newspaper editorials on a daily basis, you are very easily able to understand as to how can you interpret those passages properly. And that is why it becomes the need of the hour. It not only helps you with your English, it helps you with your reading speed, with your, I would say, kind of interpretation skills, with your current affairs for sure, and with your vocabulary as well. So newspaper reading is, I would say, kind of under the new pattern, is a one-stop solution to all your CLAT problems. So newspapers को कभी मत skip करना, even if you are not, I would say, kind of, if you're very busy on a particular day, or you're not able to study for CLAT, burnout हो रहा है, कुछ भी हो रहा है, just do one thing, न्यूज़पेपर्स पढ़ लेना और वहां से नोट्स बना लेना, ठीक है. There are some days I understand where people do not want to study and कभी कभी we are tired as well. न्यूज़पेपर को हैबिट बना लो और उसको जाने मत दो. Now the fourth question, and a lot of you, I would say, आपके पास होगा ये question as to how many months of current affairs to be covered, because current affairs एक ऐसा टॉपिक है और एक ऐसा सेक्शन है जिसकी कोई लिमिट नहीं है, ठीक है. एवरीथिंग इज करंट अफेयर्स. लाइक आज जो भी हुआ है या कल जो भी हुआ था, कल जो होगा, एवरीथिंग इज अ करंट अफेयर, राइट. हमें पता नहीं है कि क्या लिमिट सेट करें. So generally under the old CLAT pattern, it was told to the students that जो लास्ट एग्जाम हुआ है CLAT का in May sometime, उससे जो अगला एग्जाम होगा उसका जनरली करंट अफेयर्स आता है ना. वही करंट अफेयर्स आपको करना है एंड यू विल बी गुड टू गो. But we saw in CLAT 2021 paper there were a lot of current affairs from April, March 2020 as well, and some of them in 2019 as well. So I think all those current affairs that are from previous year's CLAT to this year's CLAT will be important. A. Secondly, all those current affairs which have happened in past, for example say 2017, 18, 19, but they still have a very important effect. Now how do I elaborate this? What does this mean कि उनका effect होगा अभी तक? Let's take an example of say a Ram Mandir judgment. Ram Mandir judgment में क्या हुआ था? Judgment came in 2019 wherein the land was awarded to Ram Lalla, right? जो मतलब राम जो ट्रस्ट था, Ram Mandir is going to be constructed in Ayodhya and a mosque is also to be constructed within the boundaries of Ayodhya, but उसका construction अभी चल रहा है. So a lot of things keep happening there, right? Farm laws came in 2020, ठीक है. It was supposed to be in syllabus for 2020 CLAT. 21 के लिए भी इंपॉर्टेंट था वो, 22 23 के लिए भी इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा बिकॉज फार्म प्रोटेस्ट आर स्टिल गोइंग ऑन. लखीमपुर खीरी का इतना बड़ा वायलेंट इंसिडेंट अभी फार्म लॉज की वजह से ही हुआ है, राइट. सो दीज काइंड ऑफ इंसिडेंट्स यू हैव टू टेक नोट, और हमको खुद को एक तरह से नैरो डाउन नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू ब्रॉडन योर स्कोप टू अंडरस्टैंड एज टू हाउ मेनी टॉपिक्स कैन यू कवर. Another very important tip that I would like to give all of you is please make notes. Don't expect yourself to be superhumans and to remember everything by the end of your preparation because इतना overload हो जाएगा. If you have made notes, I understand that at this point in time it will take a lot of time. But जब आपका CLAT close आ जाएगा, when the pressure increases, you will have those really handy notes with you to, I would say, revise on a daily basis. राइट, तो वो बहुत ईजी हो जाएगा. तो अभी जो मेहनत है ना वो बाद में बहुत ज्यादा काम आएगी व्हेन यू डू नॉट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू कवर सो मेनी टॉपिक्स. लास्ट थिंग दैट आई वुड लाइक टू आंसर इज, जो मैंने सेशन के स्टार्टिंग में एक हिंट दे दिया था आपको कि शुड वी स्किप मैथ्स. गाइज प्लीज डोंट स्किप मैथ्स. आई नो मैथ्स इज अ वेरी वीक जोन फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ अस. मैथ्स हमें नहीं समझ में आता है, स्कूल में भी हमको अच्छा नहीं लगता था. बट सी दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ मैथ्स. अगर कोई भी एक सेक्शन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल से क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग या लीगल रीजनिंग बहुत ही लेंथी या बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट आया है, मैथ्स का क्लैट के अंडर एक डिफिकल्टी लेवल सेट है. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि मैथ्स के ना कुछ टॉपिक्स हैं वो भी सेट है, उसके बाहर से कभी कोई टॉपिक आएगा ही नहीं. देयर अबाउट 8 to 10 टॉपिक्स, नोबडी कैन आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन आउट ऑफ दोज टॉपिक्स. हमारे पास जब प्रिपरेशन का हमें टाइम मिलता है तो मैथ्स ऑल्दो आएगा 15 to 16 मार्क्स का ही, लेकिन वो 15-16 मार्क्स विल टेक यू टू अ टॉप 5 NLU फॉर श्योर इफ यू डू इट वेल, राइट. सो ऐसा नहीं करना है कि हम 135 मार्क्स के पेपर को ठीक से कर लेते हैं, उसमें एक्यूरेसी बढ़ा लेते हैं. यू डोंट नो कि लीगल रीजनिंग कितना डिफिकल्ट आएगा, जीके कितना डिफिकल्ट आएगा, आपका जो स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट सेक्शन है वो कितना डिफिकल्ट आएगा, राइट. सो अ गुड क्लैट एस्पिरेंट इज दैट पर्सन जो सारे सब्जेक्ट को जानता है, नॉट जस्ट 4 or 3 सब्जेक्ट्स. It is very important for you to understand maths as well. I understand वो टाइम लगेगा, उसको प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा बहुत ज़्यादा, but do that. You are sitting for a national level examination. This is not your school exam. तो हमको serious होना पड़ेगा उसकी तरह, right? You have seen people studying for other national level exams, right? CLAT is no different. CLAT is no exception. You will have to understand कि यहाँ पर एक अलग level of maturity चाहिए जो कि आप में है. You just need to apply it now. Okay? So these are the 5 most prevalent questions that students keep asking me. Other than that, I think you would know. that I've been teaching on Unacademy as well. I've been doing a lot of special classes which are absolutely free of cost. You can come to those classes at 9:15 p.m. every single day. You can also follow me on my Telegram channel जहाँ पर मैं अपने सारे classes की links डालता रहता हूँ. I've given the link to my Telegram channel in the description box. You can also follow our new batches as well for CLAT 22 and CLAT 23. We have been starting a lot of new batches. You can use my code Malpani or Keshav Live to get 10% off on these batches because हम special के साथ साथ plus maybe we discuss a lot of things. I myself discuss a lot of things in legal reasoning, in current affairs as well, in static GK also. So these are going to be quite helpful for you. Okay, don't forget to take a 10% off using the code Malpani or Keshav Live. That's it about the session from my side. If you like our sessions, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so don't miss any updates from